Small amounts of fentanyl can be deadly, and many people are unaware it's in the street drugs they're using. A campaign to end overdose by distributing fentanyl testing strips is targeting universities and other places with large populations of young people. The goal, save lives.
He was sober for a year, and things were going well. And at that point in time, he received a fatal dose of fentanyl.
Dennis Raber was 29 when he died in 2018. His father says Dennis took what he thought was cocaine.
It was like 100% fentanyl, so it was a shock.
Agents at the U.S. Drug Enforcement Administration warn cartels are also hiding fentanyl in other drugs such as heroin, methamphetamine, and fake prescription pills, including these rainbow-colored ones.
Once you've introduced fentanyl into that mix, it's Russian roulette. It's becoming more common that somebody knows somebody that has overdosed or lost their life due to these deaths of despair.
There seems to be more opioid dependency and overdoses, and distressingly, it's younger and younger people.
An I-team data analysis of federal public health statistics reveals fentanyl-related overdoses are the #1 cause of death for Americans ages 18 to 45. That's what End Overdose is trying to stop.
I think we can all agree that people dying from something preventable is pretty unnecessary.
The organization's stated mission: end drug-related overdose deaths through education, medical intervention, and public awareness. They provide training on how to administer Narcan to reverse an opioid overdose.
Here's how to use a fentanyl test strip.
And how to use fentanyl testing strips to prevent taking laced drugs. They have distributed tens of thousands of test strips and Narcan kits throughout the country, many going to university campuses.
It's so important to know that harm reduction is there and is there to make sure people are safe. We want people to be comfortable in what they're doing and always have the resources available to them if something goes wrong.
Jackie Pulowski lost a friend to an overdose.
One line is positive.
She has trained dozens of people who work at concert venues in Chicago and is trying to make tests and Narcan easily accessible on college campuses here.
I think it's fantastic. Obviously you can't prevent all drug use, even with all the programs and things, so safety is really important.
I think that's a pretty important step towards the future. It's one thing to be addicted to drugs, it's another thing to lose your life to it. You want people to have a chance to get better instead of dying.
First responders tell the I-team 3 out of 5 overdose deaths could have been prevented if there was someone present who knew how and when to intervene.
If it saves one life.
Dennis Raber's family hosts a running race every year to raise awareness and support local recovery programs such as the Center in Palos Park.
If you pretend it doesn't exist, you're really just fooling yourself.
Synthetic opioids such as fentanyl were detected in more than 2/3 of all deadly drug overdoses in the U.S. last year, according to public health investigators. The DEA says it's taken 10 million fentanyl pills off the streets since May, along with a half ton of fentanyl powder. Chuck Gowdy, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
Hey, if you like that video, be sure to subscribe to our ABC 7 Chicago YouTube channel.